Bolt.new, a no-code platform, helps you create a website without knowing how to code. This is great news for people who have an idea but don't have the chops necessary to build it. You can even deploy it to the web to show your friends or potentially start a business. Today I'll show you exactly how by creating a movie recommendation website. First off, you're just going to type into Bolt.new what you would like it to build, and so just wrote out a sentence earlier so you don't have to watch me type. But I would like to build a mobile-friendly site, and now that's important to put in there. I've used this to build a few sites and always think to add that in later, but you want to put that in up front so it's a part of the design, but build a mobile-friendly site that will allow me to search popular movie and TV shows, like them, and based on the shows I like, the site will recommend others that I should look at watching. So let's hit go here. So you can see that it's already picked up that it's going to use an API for showing movie and TV show data. For those that aren't devs, an API is just a thing that you can use on the web to get data from different services. In this case, it's pulling in movie and TV shows. And it's hit a problem. You also may have seen that I need to get an API key, so I will grab one of those real quick, but first let's hit fix problems. All right, to save you watching me browse around the internets and grabbing an API key, I have just done that off screen, and we'll put in the API key here. And now that the API key is in, we'll hit fix problem again. All right, now look at this. We have a working site. I've clicked a few buttons, went to get an API key, put that into the app, and now it's looking like we have a nice stream of shows to watch. So if I click that I like Gladiator 2, oh, that's not good for user experience. And interesting recommendations there, but it pops the trending down, which is not what we want. So I'm going to ask it to fix that, and I'm also going to ask it to save our liked movies from one session to the next. So let's put that change in. Here's the new requirements that I would like to give to Bolt.new. Make sure the recommended section is persistent, because when I clicked the show I liked, if I can type, the whole screen pops down. I would also like you to add the ability for the browser to save the liked shows to local storage. Now, once upon a time, I used to be a dev, so I know this is something that, or I believe this is something that you can do. So we'll give that a shot, as opposed to, you could also connect it to a database. I think I might do a future video on connecting to, I've seen a lot of people use Google's Firebase, but for now we'll just try browser local storage. All right, so you can see that it didn't quite do what we wanted. It kept the liked shows between sessions, but this recommended for you section still pops in there. You can see what I've asked here, that the liked shows shows at the top of the page and will always be there. Right below it, there should be a recommended shows section with the same behavior. So let's see if Bolt.new can help me out there and fix these issues. All right, looks like it kept the liked section at the top. The recommended for you section is still here, and you can see other trending shows. You can add in Gladiator. Don't know if you've seen Deadpool versus Wolverine, but that was hilarious. We'll add that in, and you can see that this recommended show list updated. And my like shows are at the top. So there's probably a few things that I would continue to fix um, if I was to build this out further. I'd probably make everything a bit smaller. So like 25% icon sizes. Maybe add a liked count. Dark mode. Update the color palette, and you can do all that just by asking Bolt to make those updates. And then you can also deploy it. So if you want to deploy, you just say deploy this on the web, please. And that would deploy it. I'll put up one that I'd been working on previously that has a few more features. I won't bother deploying this one because I'm been playing with this a lot and running low on my tokens. Would love to see what people can build. I was inspired to make this video from others that I've seen building with Bolt.new. If you sign up for a free account, you can get quite a long ways with the daily free tokens. I imagine you could at least build what I have built here without needing to pay for anything. And your tokens are fresh each day, so if you just kind of wanted to play around with it, I would encourage you to give it a go. Hope this was helpful.